Hello everyone, I'm Sakila. This is my YouTube channel. If you like to watching my videos, please subscribe to my channel. So, today I'm going to show you the oldest bridge in Florence, Italy. The name of that bridge is Ponte Vecchio. Ponte Vecchio was the only bridge that crossed the Arno River in Florence until 1218. This bridge was destroyed by a violent flood. The bridge rebuilt as it was before around 1345. On November 4th, 1966, Florence was hit by a massive flood that destroyed the banks of Arno River. However, the bridge was not damaged in the flood. During the Second World War, German troops destroyed all the bridges in Florence except Ponte Vecchio. There were butcher shops on the both sides of the bridge until 1593. Later, Medici removed the butcher shops on the bridge and replaced the jewelry shops. Today, if you come to Florence, Ponte Vecchio, you can see so many jewelry shops on this bridge. Above the Ponte Vecchio, you can see the part of Vasari corridor. This corridor built in 1565 by Giorgio Vasari. Today, thousands of tourists come to see this bridge. If you come to Florence, don't forget to see this bridge. So, see you another day with a new video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a good day.